Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by launching Chrome and opening an Incognito window right away. Use Ctrl+Shift+N on Windows or +Shift+N on Mac. That creates a separate session. If you prefer the mouse, click the three-dot menu and choose New Incognito Window. Once done, notice the dark theme and icon indicating private mode. That visual confirms you're in the correct session. Make sure Chrome is updated, so features behave predictably, and extensions are managed correctly before proceeding. Now you'll refine how private this session really is. Click the lock icon in the address bar to inspect permissions like camera, microphone, and location. Change them to block if you want more privacy. Remember, extensions are disabled in Incognito unless you explicitly allow them. Enable only trusted add-ons. Once done, you can clear browsing data from the three-dot menu to remove cookies and cached files for extra hygiene. These steps limit tracking and make your session closer to ephemeral. To finish, simply close every Incognito window. That ends the session and clears in-memory data. Keep in mind downloads and created files stay on your device, so delete them manually if needed. If you signed into an account, sign out to avoid retained access. If you ever see tabs or data reappear after closing, make sure Chrome isn't syncing sessions across devices and that no extension is restoring state. Check Settings Sync and any enabled extensions. That single troubleshooting tip usually resolves reappearance issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.